Hey guys, welcome back to another review video. Today I'm going to be going over this Maddox heavy-duty automotive tire repair kit. I'm going to show everything that's included and the reasons why you should be choosing this kit over any other tire repair kit. This one is sold exclusively at Harbor Freight, and I did purchase this kit on my own, so Harbor Freight did not reach out to me to review this item. So this is what the box looks like, and I will say this is a popular item in the stores because they do sell out. And if you happen to be watching this while I post this video for this upcoming week, it is on sale during the parking lot sale of saving 30% off all Maddox products. So it'll actually be like $17.50 for this kit. It is normally priced at $25, which even at the $25 mark is a pretty good deal for everything that it does include, which I'll show you here, the inside of the box here next. This is obviously the back of the box showing all the parts that are included in this kit. And I recommend having a kit like this handy in all vehicles. It should almost be mandatory to have repair tires while out on the go, because it's not always convenient to be near a tire shop when you experience a flat. All right, so it does come in a nice hard plastic case, so it makes it easy storage for inside any vehicle, and it comes nicely organized. Obviously comes with the instruction manual. And this is definitely a heavy duty kit compared to other kits, and I'll show you the kit that I've had in my truck for a while. And so I'll compare the differences here. So this is the tire plug tool. The thing that's nice about this is that it's made of all metal. It has this like disc that slides up and down the rod that actually makes it easy to put into the tire, and you use this to help hold it in place, to help hold the plug in place as you pull out the tool. I've experienced with my other kit of pulling out the plug, and the plug would actually come out with it. So that's a great added feature for a tool like this, to have that on hand. This here is like a bottle of lubricant that you would put the tip of the tool in to help lube that up before you put the plug in place. And this is like the rasp tool to help enlarge the hole of where you have the flat tire. So again, this is a nice metal construction. These both have hex screws in there, so you could replace them. It does come with an extra plug tip here on the back, so if this ever breaks, you have a replacement available. It does not have a replacement rasp tool. It even comes with a set of needle nose pliers, which would be mandatory to have when you're experiencing a flat tire. When you have a nail or a screw in the tire, this helps pull that out. So definitely handy to have something like this on hand. And I would actually recommend maybe adding a pair of like channel lock needle nose pliers. That way you can grip onto the nail and lock it in place, and it makes it easier pulling out. That way you don't have to really clamp down on it yourself using your strength to hold onto the nail. I think it's better to have like a channel lock style needle nose pliers, in my opinion. It does come with a couple Allen wrenches to be able to switch out the tool itself. This kit right here, this is what sets it apart from other tire repair kits. It actually has replacement needles for valve stems and valve stem caps as well. It has a valve stem tool, a 4-in-1. So you can replace the needles, because this is another source of flat tires. When these little needles go bad, air can actually leak out of them. So it's great to have this kit on hand to be able to replace those. And the 4-in-1 tool makes replacing those easy. So this side right here grips onto the needle that's in the valve stem. So it's in the valve stem here. You see it's like kind of like notched. This tool grips onto that inside of the valve stem, and you're able to just simply unscrew it from that. After you unscrew it, then you'll use this tool right here to clean out the bottom part of the valve stem itself. Then you use this side right here to like basically clean out the threads of the valve stem interior, so the new needle can be seated easily, or easily screwed in case there's any debris in there. If there is debris in the threads, it's important to do this step to be able to clean that out. That way there's no debris in there, potentially causing air leaks. And then this side of the tool is to help clean the threads of the outer part of the valve stem where the cap goes. So definitely great tool to have. They do sell these separately at Harbor Freight for like $2.30. But again, it's nice and handy to have in the tire repair kit. So it's great that they include this. They even include a like a little razor blade to cut off the plugs after you install the plug in the tire. And it even has replacement metal valve stem caps and plastic ones as well. So definitely a great kit there. Another thing that this kit is set apart from other kits, it actually includes a set of 60 replacement plugs to have on hand. That is awesome to have such a huge quantity of plugs available. I see it even includes like a replacement hex screw for these tools as well. So it's really a well thought out kit that they included in this. So I'll show you the kit that I had in my truck for quite a while, and I did use it many times to repair tires because driving through like construction sites, there's always going to be like dropped screws and nails on the construction sites or roads nearby. So it's definitely great to have on hand. And this kit I actually picked up from Walmart because it was the closest store to me at the time when I needed one. And I think I paid like around 12 or 14 bucks for this. Now this did come with, I think, 9 plugs. I have 3 left in this one. And as you could tell, the differences of the tools themselves, obviously being a plastic handle, and it doesn't have this part right here that helps installing the plugs easier. So just lining them up side by side next to each other, you can definitely tell the difference. And even the rasp is smaller compared to the Maddox one. You can tell I've got a lot of use out of it. So the Maddox one is thicker, so this would be especially handy if you happen to run over a large kind of bolt or a screw or a lag bolt, that sort of thing. That'd be a thicker size hole that you would have in a tire. So definitely better to have the thicker one available to use, along with the thicker plugs that are included in the kit, which I'll line up side by side. The plugs here, you can see the differences of between the thicknesses difference. So definitely better, in my opinion, to have the thicker ones for whatever size hole you're going to be experiencing with your flat tire. Now this kit did include a tire pressure gauge, so that might have been the reason why it was a little bit more expensive than maybe other kits out there. But when I was purchasing it, I wanted it in a nice little plastic case to store everything in, whereas other kits don't have any cases at all, so everything's just all loose as soon as you open up the packaging. So definitely, I wanted to share with you the Maddox one to go over the differences between a regular tire kit versus the Maddox one. It's definitely a great value at the $25 retail price that it normally has, and it's even a better deal at $17.50 for this kit if you can get your hands on it. Hopefully it's going to be in stock at your store during this week if you're happen to be watching this video right after I post it. Hopefully they have them in stock there. Like I said, it is a popular item, and at least with my store or my local stores, they do sell out often. So I just wanted to share this kit with you guys because it's definitely worth having on hand. A flat tire never happens at an opportune time or location, so definitely I recommend having a kit in your vehicle, have it at the ready, and I would pair this with a portable air compressor, which I did do a review recently of the Gulu one. That's a portable jump starter and air compressor both in one unit. So that would make a great emergency roadside kit for any of those types of things, whether dead battery, flat tire. You can repair the tire. And in case you're not familiar with repairing tires, there's many videos on YouTube that shows how to actually plug the tire itself. When you're dealing with plugs, you cannot plug a sidewall of a tire. Tires are not rated to be plugged on the sidewalls, just so you're aware, in case you didn't know that already. It is meant to go into the tread area of the tire itself. So definitely the Maddox kit is above and beyond any other kit out there, in my opinion, especially for the money. It's definitely worth having on hand, and I wanted to share with you guys everything that it's included in it, as well as the quality of it compared to other kits out there. So if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it that you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tool review videos, as well as DIY tips, tricks, and tool deal videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.